Hey, it's time to drain this inflatable jacuzzi here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the plug is installed in the bottom there, right there. I'm gonna come out here. Also, I've unplugged the electricity from this, but we're gonna go ahead and undo this cap here. Now the thing holding that water back right there is that plug there. Okay, in the kit here, it comes with this reducer. So this is the side your drain hose can go on. I'm just using a garden hose. And then let's go ahead and put this on there. Now we go ahead and hook up our drain hose to that. Now when you're ready to drain, come over here and pull that plug. There we go. Right, now we're draining.